Like it if you like it. If you don't, you don't. That's fine too. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Style Helper. Okay, so today I am installing the French curl. I got this from Ebony Line. I'm just showing y'all, this is everything that I did to prep. I had put pins in the wall because I ain't got no hair rack, and I left just a little bit of space, as y'all can see, so the hair got something to hook on to. Twisted up my hair, parted it, prepped it, everything, so I could just keep braiding. I braided the front. My niece braided the back for me. Now I'm just putting the hair in. I just want to show y'all, it is sped up. Share, subscribe, watch the whole video. Yeah, and this is the hair this is what the hair looked like. I just got it in the color 1B, you know. Now I did cut this hair, but I only cut the front. That's gonna be in my next video. I only cut the front just to layer it to my face, and I left the back long because this hair is so thick and long, y'all. I did have to go back in and take some hair out because this hair is thick, y'all. I would say 1 pack of this, that would be way too much hair, because I still have 1 bundle left. And I still got some hair in my drawer because I had to go in, you guys, and take hair out. It was way too much. It was way too much hair. This is what 1 bundle would look like, but it will be 2 of these wrapped in 1. And you'll see when you get it. Yep, it's like, what, $15 for the pack. Quick shipping. Little $20 style, protective style. I'm going to leave this in for like 2 months, like a month and a half, 6 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks, I'm gonna leave it in. All right, y'all. Enjoy. Bye.